5 Best Home Humidifiers. Here is the product number 5. Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser Ultrasonic Air Humidifier. Refresh indoor air. You can refresh the air through the aroma diffused by the ultrasonic humidifier. Concentrate on your mind. You can add 3-5 drops essential oil in the water, to refresh your mind when you have a long office meeting. Bedtime relax. Relax your body and mind after a busy day. Make you feel relaxed and comfortable through the delicate fragrance all around the bedroom. Here is the product number 4. KBAYBO 300 ml Air Humidifier Essential Oil Diffuser. Compact and elegant design, especially made for those who have a deep love for life and have a good taste. Ultra fine and uniform mist to ensure that every single essential oil is well absorbed, allowing you to enjoy SPA anytime and anywhere. Essential oils and mist molecules gently circulated in every corner to give you new experience of safe, comfortable and efficient use of essential oils. Here is the product number 3. ATWFS Aromatherapy Air Humidifier Fogger LED Night. Provide moisture for dry cough, air, dry skin. Suitable for home, living room, bedroom, office, etc. Creative carve patterns. Adjustable amount of super heavy fog and double sprayer. Delicate carve patterns designed. Transposed air humidifier cover, 4 beautiful patterns chosen. Knob type mist adjust. LED night light. Here is the product number 2. 400 ml Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser Ultrasonic Air Humidifier. Brand name, KBAYBO. Application, 2130M2. Certification, ULGS, EMC, RoHS. Humidification method, mist discharge. Humidity control, manual. Operation method, keyboard type. Mist output, gallon, day, 30 ml/H. Type, ultrasonic humidifier. Here is the product number 1. USB Aroma Essential Oil Diffuser Ultrasonic Cool Mist Humidifier. Brand name, KBAYBO. Certification, ULCBGS, RoHS. Humidification method, mist discharge. Application, 1120M2. Installation, mini. Mist outlet quantity, 1. Model number, KH41. Voltage, V, 5 volts. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.